This brief tutorial is to show you how to use homeroom.com, which is an Instagram-based mimicking private social media photo and post sharing site. This will show you how to use it on the web. So as you can see here, the address is gethomeroom.com. These later letters are related to my class, which is the class I've made here is Madame Michalski test. So what you see is you see a few things that I already have posted, and you can scroll up to see what's been posted. Here's a post that has my coffee and some work, and the caption, never enough coffee. As I go through, I can, as a observer to these things, I can click. Now, mind you, this is shared by the whole class, so anyone in the class can scroll through in the same manner and click a second time to unclick. That shows you like the post. Or I can type here, add comment, and then down here in the box, I also need coffee. And then click send, which in fact really just posts it. Click, depending on your internet time, there you go, you can see the comment. So here, let's say we want to make a post for the scrolling action. This is what you can see, and then you'll see I've only done this. This is shared only with one person, so the only person who is able to like something is my other email, which is right here, and the little icon is one I have associated with that account. So there's my picture and my mom and sister, lovely. So if you want to post something, the top corner where the plus sign is where you'll click. So in this case, I'll add a photo, and photos I'll see, so I don't want to use the mobile app, which I already have. So I'll click here on choose a photo, which will bring up photos that I have on my computer, which are not really many. So I'll click on this note card that I saved for something else, click on it, then hit open. It goes right into the box. Now I click on upload photos. It takes just a moment. And do I want to upload any more? Not right now. So when I click back to album, that brings me back to my home page. There's a photo, which was a kid's note card demonstrating the verb to speak. And I didn't put a comment. What's different with the app versus this is that you do not have within the posting mechanism the ability to add a caption right away. But what you can do is, as the first comment will be yours. Here is the verb to talk illustrated. Click send. It takes a minute. I find that it's a little bit longer on the web than on the app. I think that's by design. It also depends on your connectivity. It's taking a bit longer than I would like, but there you go. So now my caption is listed here. If I don't want that to remain, I can hover, and then I can click on the delete button. Delete the comment. It warns me that there's no undo. That's what I'm okay with that. And there it's gone. So second thing I can do, I can click on before I even get there, I can go back to post, and I can add a note, which as the teacher can be an assignment if I felt like it. So for example, please find photos demonstrating our sports or the sports vocabulary for their unit. Click, post. That time was a little bit quicker, and there you go. Kids can type here, like things. So now I can look at, the feed is where we are now, and I can click up and scroll through everything that's been posted. Look at comments, look at who likes things. Again, I am the only person in this album. I guess I invited 3 people, myself and 3 other email addresses. You can click on gallery for a different view. These show all of the photos. You can sort them in various ways. Settings gives you a bunch of different things. You can invite people, remove them. And activity, clicking on that will show you who has done what and how recently. And then when all else fails, click back to feed. This Make Photo Books Instantly is an ad where you can purchase books of the photos that have been uploaded, which might have value, but for our purposes currently it's not necessary. So again, back to feed, and the albums would be, I have only this one class, but a new album would be another class. Back to feed, and then there you have it.